R. Mehul Pandya, Space Application Center and Joint Secretary, Indian Society of Remote Sensing, who will brief us on IRS-1C memoir prepared by Team ISRS.
Thank you, Arpita. Good afternoon and namaskar to all the respected dignitaries on this esteemed panel and to all the participants attending this event. I am honored and privileged to brief you all about the IRS-1C memoir. As we all know, that memoir is a document which can take us to a remarkable past experience that many of us did not experience at that point of time. And as per a famous quote, which says, we must study the past perfectly if we wish to define our future properly. We at SAC, with the help of ISRS and other colleagues, have prepared this memoir by collecting distinct and discrete pieces of IRS-1C history at one place. So let us see this colorful memoir. Yeah, so this was the exceptional mission of IRS-1C, which started with the recommendation of this committee with the specific mission objective and requirements for IRS-1C to have 3 unique cameras, PAN, LIS3 and WIFs, with the specifications, as Dr. Naval Gund said, with very higher, radiancy, saturation radiancies. And I just want to show a historical picture before launch of Dr. Rangan and Dr. George Joseph in front of IRS-1C satellite. After its launch in polar orbit, we had a lot of defined, reference scheme. We had all those data product schemes and data products in picture, and with the help of these, beaming of beautiful pictures, initial images of LIS3, panchromatic data from PAN, and wide field sensor WIFs images. These are some initial images, historical images WIFs we have collected in this particular memoir. And this also gave opportunity of merging the data. Ultimately, it opened up opportunities for newer applications, like as our all esteemed speaker said, for crop assessment, which was the main beneficiary, forestry applications, which helped in many of the flagship applications projects of the national level like CAPE and other projects, land use, land cover mapping. Then we always have, coastal zone management, which one of the very important applications, coral reef and mangrove mapping using IRS-1C, or cadastral mapping, which was first time possible using PAN and LIS3 merge for urban planning and GIS applications. So it actually propelled the arena of applications as far as IRS-1C is concerned. And this is some of the beautiful images, which ultimately scientific publications of, all the dignitaries on this particular panel, those all stalwarts have contributed to current science, some 22 papers. And we thank all project management executives, all the team members, technicians, engineers, and all the people who contributed to this exceptional mission, which changed the arena as far as IRS applications are concerned. And we thank Shri Nilesh Desai sir, D.K. Das sir, Dr. George Joseph sir for guiding and making this possible. Thank you very much. I think this memorable memoir will give us a lot of, beautiful memory of that.